How you going? I'm in Ocean Grove. Haven't been here for years, so thought I'd come down, have a bit of a quick look. There's a great walk along the coast here. Some fantastic spots to have a look out over the ocean, watch the surfers. Got to be pretty brave to be out there today. It's freezing. About 9 degrees here at the moment, and pretty miserable, overcast day. Anyway, there's a pie shop here in Ocean Grove, being recommended to me by my mate Tom. It's called the Rolling Pin. I believe it won Australia's Best Pie in 2021 and 2022. Didn't win it this year, but did do well. I'll go up and see what their pies are like. Okay, I've found it. Rolling Pin Pies and Cakes. Australia's Best Pie 2021 and 2022. Hope they're good. Got my pie. I'll head back, sit in the car, eat it there. Be warmer than sitting outside. $6.30. We'll have a look at it in a sec. Okay, let's have a look at this pie. It's a square pie, so it's no thicker than any other square pie. Pastry on top looks fantastic. It's definitely cooked. The base, it's all nicely cooked everywhere too, and completely sealed around the edges. So we get the first point for the pastry, beautifully done, pretty firm, and we get the second point for it being sealed. Let's have a taste. It's pretty good. There's heaps of meat in there. So I'll give it a 3 out of 3 for the meat content. Pastry is beautiful and crisp. The filling, it tastes really good. Doesn't taste like your normal Victorian square pie at all. Got a bit of onion in there, give it some sweetness. Rich, flavoursome. It is a nice pie, very nice. Temperature is great. Nice and hot is what you need on a freezing morning in Ocean Grove. There's not going to be any problem with structural integrity of this one. It's not falling apart at all. Holding together well. So Rolling Pin Pies and Cakes, $6.30 for their, what do they call it, steak pie, their plain pie. With the name steak pie, you'd kind of expect it to be chunky meat, but oh well, still tastes great. Bit expensive for a square pie maybe, because they're not thick, so you're really paying a premium because they won a prize the last couple of years. Anyway, Rolling Pin Pies and Cakes, 10 out of 10, good pie. Catch ya. Don't forget, press that subscribe button.